Hello my digital nomads, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a AI generation tool that has a lifetime deal, and it's a really good deal because it's from Closes Copy. For those of you who don't know what Closes Copy is, it's an AI content writing tool that does long form, short form content, and it has pre-written templates that are like fill in the blank. So there's a human interaction there as well. All right. But today I'm going to talk about the new features that they keep adding stuff to this, which is amazing. I love it's just such great value for money. Um, they basically added a new feature which is the AI image generator. So AI image generation demo. I'm just going to go ahead and create a new document, open it up. Oops, not this one. Go back. All right, this one right here. And then from here, all you simply need to do is you scroll on the left hand side, you scroll down, and you'll have this creatives function. You go ahead and click on that, and you just describe what you'd like to draw, right? From text, basically text to image. So I wish I had this, when I was going through art class. But let's see, what would you like to draw? I like AI. Let's see, AI, robot, drawing, an image. Okay, I like this one. And what would you like to avoid? I don't know. I'll just leave it clear. I'm going to click on draw for me. You have to agree to the terms of service. All right, go ahead and read through it. I agree. And then since this is a web-based tool, it's there's nothing that you have to download, right? And you can use it on your mobile phone if you really want to. So I'm going to let it run in real time so you get a feel of what it's roughly going to take in order to generate one image. Okay, and it's done. Let's see what you got. All right, so it has an image of an AI robot, and it looks black and white. It looks like it's a bit rudimentary. And it expires within 30 minutes. Now that's a key point you have to remember. After 30 minutes, it will automatically delete in order to conserve resources for the server. All right, so if you like it, you go ahead and you can download it. All right. And you can pick, let's see, 512, 2048, or you can like it to let the AI know that, kind of give it feedback. All right, so I'm going to leave this. I'm going to change it. Let me see. To maybe just robot drawing. Yeah, just robot drawing. And then just draw for me. Okay, I need some more robot drawing. A picture. And then draw for me. See how that goes. Excuse me. And let's compare it to the first one. So if you want to change the image, you just can go ahead and change the text within here. And let's see what you get this time around. All right, so you got another image of a robot. That's pretty neat. That's pretty cool. Let's go with the wizard. Now, if you go with the wizard, it gives you like clear kind of like a template. So, you can go subject, let's say robot. Style. Now you can go ahead and pick a whole bunch of different styles. I'm gonna pick maybe let's go with this one. Artist. I wish I knew my artist better. I'm gonna go with this one. And format. You can go ahead and let's see, illustration, Aztec, 3D renders. I kind of like. Maybe I'll go with 3D render. No. Let me go comic book art. And you got boosters. I'm gonna leave that blank. Well, let me go with well. And vibes. Let's see. And perspective. Go full shot. Okay, so this gives you a bit more of kind of a guidance. And let's see how it works using all these inputs. Okay, so let's see. See how it goes. I'm going to click on draw for me. And let's see what comes out. Now, I think the wizard should give better results. That's just my opinion because it's more guided and you have much more information that you're sending to the AI. And let's see what comes out. Yeah, see, that one looks way better. That looks a lot better than this one or this one. I don't know. I mean, it's just my opinion. Okay, I'm not a. It's my subjective opinion. I think this looks a lot better than the other ones. And you can go ahead. Maybe let's change some of this. Let me just delete this comic book art and see what happens. Let me go draw for me. Again, I just took out one parameter. See if I took out the comic book style. I want to see what kind of style they're going to render the same thing. Is it going to be similar to this? Is it going to be different? So let's see. I mean, these things you kind of have to play around with. Oh, wow. That looks cool. That looks cool. Yeah, I like it. I definitely like it. All right, so the next question I'm sure a lot of people are wondering is what can you do with an AI generated image? All right, like, and I'll show you. I'll show you. But before I show you, okay, let me just let you know that when you get Closes Copy now, you'll get the AI content writer. So this is you got the SEO features here. You got the long form that you can go ahead and create long form content in here. You got different frameworks where they have a whole bunch of different things that you can go ahead and create. All right, so add blogs, landing pages, emails, all that stuff, and then you even have like a template. And now you have creatives, which they added on. Okay, and this allows you to do AI images. Now, if you can't afford the full price of a software like this, because this is not like a joke software. If you want something for $20 or $30, you got to look elsewhere. But if you want to pay one time and don't have to and be done with it, then this is for you. Now, if you can't, I understand if you can't afford a software like this, because look, I started off there too. I understand what it's like. I'm going to show you an alternative, and that's Enterpix. Enterpix is a great AI image. It's an image AI generation image search engine, but it also can generate images for you as well. So when I go in, let me do apples to apples comparison. Oops, let me go back. Let me go to this one here. Go to creatives, and let me just copy this prompt into this one here, and see what comes out. All right. So you can compare and contrast. Wow, that looks okay. You're gonna have two images so far that I see. Oh, okay, it's generating a bit more. Oh, okay. Wow, look at this. This is pretty neat too. this is this is pretty amazing. I think that's pretty cool. All right, so look, if you just want an AI image generator and you don't want to, pay a monthly fee, or you can't afford to pay the one-time price for the software, then use Enterpix for the time being. And as you can see, it does a pretty decent job. All right. But if you can afford it, I highly recommend getting this one because you get an AI content writer and an AI image generator all in one. All right. So what can you do with this image? It's easy. Let me go ahead and let me go to history. Let me recover this one here. And recover this one here. And let me show you what you can do with this. Okay, so I'm gonna download this one right here. Maybe not this one. But what you can do with the images is simple. You can simply use it to boost your thumbnails. Right? So this is one that I used from an AI image generator. I used Enterpix for this one, and it's amazing. Like when you combine it with Canva, your thumbnails pop because, and I'll tell you why. Everyone on YouTube is just using this and using this and using this, and they're not even maybe even changing the people out. All right, so it looks the same. It looks very boring. Now, if you want yours to stand out, it has to be unique. It has to be different. But to draw a unique image can take a lot of money and time. And this is where I think AI image generators can help. If you go ahead and select the template, which is the one I selected here, was the horror one, and then I just added in the AI image, now you can see it looks completely different and it pops. It looks something interesting, like, oh, what is this, right? So you see where what I'm trying to get at is if you combine Canva with AI images, it just takes your thumbnails to the next level. And you can either use either one. I'll leave a link for both. All right, whether you want to use the one-time lifetime paid closers copy with a discount, I'll leave that link for you, or you can use the free one. All right. Now, full disclosure, if you happen to click on the link and purchase through my affiliate link, I do get a small commission. It doesn't cost you anything. It just helps this channel out. Or you can just go directly. But I understand that if you go through my link, at least you have a discount. Okay, so I just want to put that out there, and as well, I do have a course in AI content building for YouTube channels, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And it shows you these techniques and tips and tricks to basically increase and improve your workflow, so you can create content a lot easier and make that money a lot quicker, right, on YouTube, or get monetized and all that good stuff. All right, so and let me just show you real quick what I mean by that. So if you go to my competitors, all right, and if you look at what they may have, I'm doing quite well considering my subscriber base. All right, and that is not for me to brag or anything like that. It's just me to impress upon you, to show you that I do know what I'm doing. Okay, so if you're interested in taking my course, go ahead and check it out. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.